Hi, this is Peter Lepore, and thank you for taking a few minutes to visit my site. My area of expertise is really around learning and human performance improvement. And my education background is I have graduate degrees and certifications in three key areas: organization psychology, instructional technology, and business. And for the past 20 years, I've put a focus on these three areas. First, organization culture and how it impacts performance improvement in different companies. And I've been very blessed to develop a relationship with Wayne Clancy of the Mind Suite and New York Times best-selling author John King, who developed the Culture Map, and together with Wayne Clancy created the Culture Gap Index. This remarkable tool will help any organization to look at 6 key areas of how their people work together and with the organization. And from that survey, you're able to identify areas of strength and areas of limitations with non-deniable data that will help all the groups work together to move towards a culture of performance improvement. Secondly, we look at innovation. And again, with that same group, I'm very blessed to work with them around the city's possibility as well as 1 million acts of innovation. These remarkable breakthrough technologies and thought leaders will help any organization to take a look at how they are doing the business of their business, and how can they start to really find ways to capture the expertise inside their organizations and outside to be able to create innovation in the processes they do, not only breakthrough, but how to make what they do better. And the third area of focus is on-demand learning. And that is, how do we use technology and proven learning strategies to get people the information and learning they need when they need it so they can do their jobs better for their customers and for your customers. For more information, visit our company site at www.incrediblecustomerexperience.com. Thank you.